Inaya kira.
Kapi ba? Diba?
That is a Memphis art, owned and art by our club president Patrick Gamboa. And that is being shown by Bunker Gamboa. Ito guys. So that's Bunker.
Kita kay maratil ani. May.
Kaya ko i-focus ang trunk here. Sige, padayan lang ito here. Padayan ito here. Memphis.
Kailan sakay na.
Bantigi. Memphis sa Sidula. Bantigi in our local language.
Itong isawa. Ilaw ya po black. Bago po ngayon.
Okay.
Parang nakabulan, upat na siguro.
Owned and art by Patrick Gamboa.
Awak may gamit-gamit alor. Gamit lang na alkuan. Why gaining elba? Kalyo? Ang yang pinutlan ba?
This is the garden of Patrick Gamboa.
Sa workshop ano si
We are in his residence.
Ikaw, Buker.
Purot na kabalik.
Sila. Kay wow.
Lain ako ginubagan na ko sa ngaron.
Kita na mag-workshop, bili ka isa na katao. Ha? Sa isa, roy ko.
Sunog sa kuwero naman.
O naman na. Ano daw? O naman na.
Di man sa.
Ay, sa magsugod ah.
Pagkong kasunod ang bayar kong.
Oh, okay.
Pili na sa isa ka.
Pilihan lang. Tangaon.
Sige. Paano na?
Ay na din no, nabulag na din na sir.
That's a Chinese
Ha? Pahak na.
Sila na bahala ka na.
Sawan.
Wala o.
Tangkad na putang na ikuan.
Markuko nila na.
Nagko na may na. Kanila ako'y pabilin. Ako yan.
unlimited coffee.
Critics lang.
Sige. Sige, critic. Tagsa-tagsa, una si Roy.
Ako yun na. Ako yun. Question lang. Unsay kuan ni kana. Bali
Yeah, just
design
some
ba nga
discussion.
nag-expose man yang mga kuan say manayong unsa man siya expose road na lang na siya
Expose
na
road.
design.
Sponsor kung tangan bato ni sila lang pero naging pagawas yun eh. Actually gani
So
siya.
there's a question by Roy, what to do with this
ni siya
exposed
para sa ni. Kani siya successful na. Pilit na nagbuhat kog gamot. So nadungagan na ang iyang kuan. Ako rin
That is owned by Ike and he's saying that he will just continue
Para
with
mas
exposing the roots. One option is putting arak underneath the root.
Grafting ba ano? Successful ni siya, ano?
ipa kuan ni I explain kung yun sa niya pagkuan. Ay,
Sige, Ike. Yan. So question is, how did you
Expose
fuse the root?
grafting.
Root grafting. It's called. He said it's called root grafting. So
Ang first na kong root grafting is kani mo ni siya, kani portion. So successful na.
so
Kuha na siya. So ako nang gikap.
he grafted that one at a time.
Gikap na ako ang kanyang kuha. So
ang kuan like ang sa tawagan ni ang proseso yun sa bali
So,
mo ba?
Asa man ang
Markot ko din eh. Markot. Kasi nanay gamot. So akong gitanong din eh. Drop na ko. Dikit na ko din sa
ang punuan?
Punuan o.
Oh, dayon giyon sa nimo diri ka
Ano
na.
dayon?
Wala na gipasamdan ba?
Samdan o. Samdan.
Ay gisamdan gid gyapon.
Then gihistan lang og kuan.
So kani karon.
Kana
Kana sir,
that-
ay tapos sir, pa na kuan.
That is a newly grafted one, that the small one. So that first one was already successful. So that's the process. I got grafted a
Kape na rin.
a branch, then planted the branch on the ground and had it fused into the main root. And so that branch now has become a root on the side.
Ano siya, root na siya. Trunk, i-refuse na ko siya sa sa trunk. Base sa trunk, yun, sa base.
Base sa trunk. Oh, pero kato siya ang imong ang imong gi-fuse. Kuan to siya kanang branch supposedly. Karon nahimo na siyang root. Oh. So asa to sa gani ata anay? So that one pointed by egg is formerly a marketed branch from the same tree, and now it is already acting as a root. So that is how he grafted.
Dugang ko pero wa dili pa.
Plant.
And that small branch is actually a additional, but it has not yet successfully fused. But that will eventually fuse. So that is the process how I created many roots.
Sa M, siguro.
So that is a Chinese elm. That's a Chinese.
Sa kuan, sambag. Successful kami sambag kapot.
For sambag, for tamarin also.
And sambag. Abgo.
Amgaw.
Tugas.
Ang tugas mo kasut try. Pero pili siguro.
Pwede eh.
Tugas oh.
Tugas na. Ang taga kuan na mo biyan tulabi.
Labi no.
Oh, tugas og mulabi. Ikuan nila. Ha? Oh, bali tawag na ito kay mulabi man. Ano na tulabi.
Mulabi ang tawag sa
Ang tugas nila dito ba?
ilang tugas gitawag nilang
Oh,
mulabi.
din. Dara sa kuan tugas dia pangalan. Review ni, review.
O diya kon diyo kay mas taga may gamot.
Kini pala agabot.
Ako aning kon yan, baro na siya
That's
broom.
the front view.
Bro.
Broom style.
Broom og dagay siya expose root mo na. Either itanom na ko ni siya sa bat.
I is saying that the general design is room designed with exposed roots. And probably in the future an option is to put rock underneath in between the exposed roots. And it will create as a rock clasping room style of a Chinese elm. So that is the teaching that Patrick has given us today.
That's all for now.
So there's a pancake there. Courtesy of Olive Gamboa.
Kaysa ano man nga panit ay wala di panit. Pero lingkon ba dili dili ka. Ano? Okay, nako diya sa sapatos.
Akong iyon na 7,000 harvest.
Mahal eh. Hindi, for kung lang. For 5 or for
Wala sa kuan. Aron dag group.
This still Pempis Silula is still owned and art by Patrick Gamboa. So we will ask Patrick Gamboa what he did, what he has done for this plant, and what is his future plan for this tree. Sige, Bisaya lang, Bisaya. Bisaya lang. Sige.
We'll try to shift up that.
Actually, kani siya, makanting, tanom na ako, gaw, kuha nila, separate ni, gamay, ang uban, o, ako, mabuhay ka kung dili, kung mamatay siya, parang chin lang ko siya diya, parang lang, actually, wag yun siya, kuhan, ano, nabuhi man, then, strong pa yun, pag sipa ka nila, yun ang pagpila. Actually, kanigin ako, natural man siya nga dead, ni, natural, ako lang ulo din eh, yung kani, pahagbong na ako, wala na yung cascade nila, ano na? Ulo, diba? Back branch, ini, Ora, simple lang siya, gana.
Patrick stated that when he collected this from the wild, this small tree was already there, but it was still. He was thinking of separating this, but eventually he did not pursue that plan because this has become vigorous and it's growing well. So he just made us as a daughter of this large plant, so large tree. So his plan is, since this is already there, this is the dead portion, and he will bring this further or develop this as a cascading branch, and he is going to put the apex will be at the top. I-point ko nugumbi. The apex kay dili yana ba sa imong kamot. Okay, ako pay ga artista, ako pay ga. So that is the apex. That will be the apex, and that's the plant apex. The plant apex, then the cascading portion. So cascading portion, then the back branch, and that's the back branch there. And so we'll give you a 360 view, so you will see the back branch. So the back branch is now visible, and so that's the back view, and the cascade is still visible from this point of view. So ang pag-brand selection nimo ay ginsa naman nimo, ikaw ra gyud nimo. Ipamut lang gyapon nimo.
Isa ra man ka point good ang gitubuan ani kanira.
Pero kani daghan kay gipanghuwa nga mga branches diha, twigs.
Oh, mga tips.
Ike has removed the many twigs in those branches, but his selected branches is those existing branches now.
Ora gyud gitubuan, dili gyud.
So
Wala itong
so there are no other branches which grew from this part, only at this portion.
siya lagi ka point.
But it is still good. It is, yes, it is well. It is still well hung. That branch that is made into a cascade is a well hung branch, and
Paano ka ni? Kali ka ni gamot pang gunian ni, tapok ng gamot ni. So nawala na yung lubong.
so that one Ike is pointing is this was previously a root, and he scraped that. So this is not the original position when it was collected from the wild. Ike said that this was a slanting down. Yun sa tuwik. Put the
Ang position niya, actually sa wild, yan na siya. Kamang.
that is the original position in the wild, and it is probably lower than that. That's why this one has become a root. This was a root.
Ano yung root niya nga tapos silbi ko.
And now this is standing upright and very nice. So owned and art by Patrick Gamboa. Patrick is our club president, by the way. This is still a Memphis Bantigi in our local language, still owned by Patrick Gamboa. And sige, question or si Roy, si question mo Roy.
Question mo, Roy.
Asa man kung ano hindi ko. Where's the front? They're asking where's the
Yan,
front.
yan mo.
Diri daw front niya, sir.
Ah,
Ano
so,
siya, medyo
okay.
sabi.
This is the front daw, sir.
This is the
Oh,
front.
putol ko. Putol din eh.
Okay. That cascading branch will be cut, made shorter. Ang mga dead parts,
So, gamiton ng tanan sa kuha. Ako gamiton tanan. Ganun lang siya may i-wahing dito. Para ma-open na yan. Wala. Kani gamiton ako. Back man eh. Wala.
Tudlo na pod kung where's the apex kung apex. Apex ang front gani. This is the front. Apex and back branch.
Ano po, Jasmine?
So all of the branches will be utilized
Yun na ba? Sa
except that this will be the front page will be shortened. That front cascading branch. Still a beautiful art by Patrick Gamboa. That is for sale but it comes with the price.
Price man na. Medyo mahal, makuhaan naman na.
Labay man mo, bay. Ambak. Naitiin. Ano kadugaan mo? Burot na ba? Burot sila eh. Hindi tayo pinipong ay, burot ay. Dali, kaya kita. Gusto magpanto. Magol ta, hakbong, singkol siya. Ang mura dimino, hindi ko. Ang dimino, ano? Sige, mabalik balik na. Iya, kabuo. Ganito.
So ito yung
Tuloy
plano
pa kung
mo,
hinahinay pa kung-
ikaw, next mo, kani mo yung plano ko sa imo ana.
So, ay, sir, eh.
Aron mga kaon ba?
Wala pa dyan.
So Patrick is asking opinion of other club members. So what is if the plant is theirs, if it will if this tree was their own, what would they do to make it better?
Bisaya ra, hindi na.
So Ogong, in local language, Binisaya, unsay mong buhaton gong kung imuha pa na gong?
Ay, nara.
Ay, putol!
Ang ako kay dirigyan po ng front. Tinigyan po ng
The
front.
front would
tayo.
stay the same.
Patyon na ako diri tanan. Dire lang ko mag-fix. Dire. Nga lang kataas, padako lang ko ani.
So
Kini lang
that's
akong
the epic,
ikuan,
but he
dako
will-
siya.
Ang sa
Change.
Sa dalaw.
he will
Ano lang yun,
change most of the
ginako,
parts.
Uno, ana. Bati na.
Tagal-tagal na.
Paboy lo jud ka, Apex man. May problema. Dali mo ni siya kay siya ra pod isa. May laing kuan niya.
Kani, wala, tanggal ni.
Tanggal na sa eh. Pare, didwood na na diha. Tanan, kita ang didwood. Apex diri ang green. Kita gyapon yung live iyang kuan ini kurba. Nga na siya kataas. Ora ko.
Tuyo ko no gamay kong di. So Ogong's idea is to make an apex point to Ogong. Apex, so we have to grow that branch thick and make that apex there. So that will be the only green portion. So and the rest will be dead. It will be made into a gin.
Ora.
So how about the cascade?
Tanggal. Wala na yung tanan.
So, including the cascade will become into a gin.
Di dani siya tanan diri. Ikan diri. Kini ra gi buhi niya. Sa ko pero
Okay.
di ko na ako tagiya.
So that's the idea.
Tiga ko siguro ko. Una-una ra.
So how about Mr. Roy?
Kang bunker,
The idea.
bunker.
Bunker. This is our way of educating ourselves
Say mo
by
Roy.
getting others' ideas on.
Kain si kuno kaya pinutlan ra sir. Ang katings.
Di na masudlan like no?
Ha? Yan ako,
Mo istorya.
So
Kagilok.
unsa man kere mo ker?
Mo ker.
Rapos na rin.
Kaya hak na unsa na ni.
Ligar.
Ako di na ron
We
sir.
have a new member coming in.
Sugar ni agas oy.
Stabilize na
Ayun yung hapon ron. Check. Bawi pa muli ayo.
Last April, last year.
Imo na siya. Ay papansin.
So it the story is as per Patrick is this came from Sikihor. They collected this themselves. So ang position na when collected is hinanagya po.
Sa Sa wild?
Oh.
Sige ko na rin sa wild. Ano niya?
I'm asking like what is the position when this was collected?
May quick signal.
Ano, gana, uya ko na siya, gana.
Basically the same position when this was
Papayaman naman
collected
siya.
from the
Kani
wild.
may gabilan niya. Kani patay ni. Kani may kasurvive. Kaya kanina, bali, nakagya pa lain nga tanong yun eh, pero kani siya, natabunan na lang. Nag-dieback siya, kaya wala na init. Matay.
So that dead portion was covered with another
Windswept
with
May
another
panin, nalandungan eh.
with another plant that was shaded out with
Kanina
another
rin naka-bukit dito.
bantigi, and that's why that dead portion is. If we done dead portion, that dead portion was
Bali, natakluban na siya diya.
Was shaded out with other branches from another plant, and that's why it's there. So now I just make that into a gene.